Hello, welcome to my channel. Watch till end to know where exactly I'm going. Starting my day with morning skincare routine using skincare from Korean brands. If you want the list of all the products I've used in this video, let me know in the comments. Most important factor in skincare is the sunscreen. Don't skip it, please. Doing a quick makeup. If you wanted to know what products I'm using for my makeup, also let me know. And otherwise, watch the video till end because I'm gonna show what exactly I did after getting ready. This pink gloss is just not any gloss, it actually helps to plump the lips. Putting on some red lipstick because you cannot go wrong with the red lipstick. I'm ready. Now you're a quick transition, and that's how it goes. Ta-da!
Devil on the mountains.
You're the flower feels like a cloud crown, right? And that makes me a cloud princess. Now comes the actual view. Can you guess the place? Which is this? Let me see how many can guess it right. But coming to this view, it looks so clear, clean and clear, pristine, and so beautiful. But it's our duty to keep it clean wherever we go. Make sure you don't litter. And one more, if you truly love nature, you'll find beauty everywhere, even in the water or on the mountain. So, I'm not any person. People say that they're either mountain or ocean person. But what am I? I'm just somewhere lost. That's right? Because this place is all in one. Can you see? What's missing, by the way? You know what's missing? Your likes for this video. You know, sometimes we feel that being alone is a blessing, right? But if somebody comes and gives us company, that's not a bad idea, right? But for now, I'm enjoying my company. So let me enjoy. But you don't forget your things. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.